Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and most innovative gadgets for your home and pets. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes for cats in 2025. These amazing products will make your life so much easier and keep your furry friends happy and clean. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on our latest reviews. And don't forget to check the product links in the description box to grab your favorite litter box today. Starting off at number 5, we have the LELO ELVES Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This litter box combines ultra-safe design with modern convenience. Its all-in-one design eliminates sharp edges and crevices, while infrared technology and 4 weight sensors ensure your cat's safety, pausing the cleaning cycle whenever your cat is near. The box automatically separates waste from clean litter, reducing the number of liner changes and saving you valuable time. Plus, with app control, you can set cleaning schedules, monitor your cat's activity, and even check the waste bin status remotely. Perfect for multiple cats or for keeping an eye on your feline's health while you're away. Next up, at number 4, is the HoneyGuaridan Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Built with an IPX5 waterproof body, it's easy to rinse and maintain, even after heavy use. Safety is a top priority, featuring motion sensors that instantly stop cleaning when a cat enters, and 4 gravity sensors for precise weight monitoring. The open design ensures your cat's comfort, while the included litter mat minimizes scattering. Through the HG Smart app, you can remotely operate the litter box, track litter status, and monitor your cat's weight, frequency, and duration, giving you real-time insights into your pet's health. This one is ideal for multi-cat households up to 33 pounds. At number 3, we have the MeoWant Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, designed for multi-cat homes with safety and convenience in mind. It features 10 high-precision sensors and an anti-pinch design for full safety monitoring, including self-check and remote alarm functions. With the AR Pet app and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can control the litter box anytime and monitor your cat's weight and activity in real time. Its self-cleaning system separates waste into an enclosed bin and works with various clumping litters. Additionally, the odor control cover and ultra-quiet motor keep your home fresh and peaceful. This box can accommodate up to 6 cats and provides extra-large capacity for active households. Our runner-up is the PetSafe Scoop-Free Smart Spin Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This smart litter box takes automatic waste collection to the next level, offering a spacious sealed waste drawer and integrated deodorizer for superior odor control. It comes with a complete litter kit, including liners and a litter mat, making setup effortless. Designed for multi-cat households, the Smart Spin system improves hygiene while keeping cats comfortable and happy. With PetSafe's reliable customer support and globally trusted design, it's perfect for pet owners who want a hassle-free, high-quality solution for daily litter maintenance. And finally, at number 1, the Litter Robot 5 Pro is the ultimate self-cleaning litter box for 2025. Using AI technology, it detects and identifies each cat and manages waste accordingly with Waste ID TM, distinguishing between urine and solid waste for precise odor management. Its rotating globe separates clean litter from clumps, depositing them neatly into the waste drawer below. The system is fully automated, giving you minimal maintenance while keeping your home odor-free. This premium litter box is ideal for multiple cats, busy owners, or anyone who wants the smartest, most efficient litter solution available today.